Hey everyone, Old Wolves here. Good morning. It's no, not Tuesday. It's Thursday morning. That means the day after comic book day. And I'm here. Let me click. I got this thing over here. Let me click that off. All right. So I picked up my books yesterday, right? Oh, happy 4th. And because it's Independence Day, I just want to let you know, I'm celebrating Independence Day. All books except one is an independent. Did you get it? Independence Day, independent book. Okay. Let's go back to this. Hey everybody, All Wolves here. So it's Thursday, and I didn't get a chance to do the show last night, which was Wednesday. So you're getting it today, this morning. That's why I'm drinking coffee out of a dirty cup. It all goes down there. Anyways, so I got my books, as usual, right? I also got my mail call. Came in late. June's came in July. I don't know what to tell you. So before I start, well, let's make sure this camera works. Hold on. You don't want to have to see my big belly. Okay. So, should have done that before, huh? This is the train wreck. So, if you subscribe, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, all those things that they tell you on every show. Same here. No, it makes me feel like it's worth it. You know what I'm saying? Okay, this is the train wreck. Let's get it on. So I got my books. I got my bling bling. Hold on, you gotta show me. You gotta do the eye thing, right? Don't I usually do the eye thing? Why is this not working? Oh, should I test this before I did it? There you go. Okay, here's the eye. Look. I got my missing mail call. I got my bags and boards. Bags and boards. So let's get this done. All right, so the first one. Boop. The closet. It's the old story. It's the old story. You know, monsters in the closet. This kid, he's got it tough. I just went through it real quick. I mean, the first issue was great, but this poor kid is being dragged back into his room. Honest to God, go to bed, I said. I'm enjoying this. Tinian's doing this. That's probably why I like it. I'll get with the hands, Tony. So, because every time I move my hands, it doesn't do it now. Okay. It's number 2. It's issue 2. Probably going to be a 5 or 6 miniseries. And I don't know. This must have smashed my hand. Huh. So that's the phone ringing. You're gonna love it in the morning, right? Okay. Where was I? Oh yeah. I'm trying to listen to who's the phone calls from. Oh, another ring. Oh, someone must have picked it up. So issue 2. It's a good story. The parents are not getting along. There's a big move, and the kid's having issues with a monster in the closet, right? So this one, I guess they moved already into the new house, and the monster went with them. It's number 2. Issue 2. I wouldn't mind you guys getting this book. It's a good read. And it says cover A. All right, here we go. All right. While I'm doing this, I want to give out a shout out to Simple Simon and Captain Sorrow. They're on Instagram. Simple Simon's on YouTube. They're always giving me shout outs. They always give me shout outs, especially Captain Sorrow. I like you better. You're my favorite. So I'm gonna give them back to them. They usually put a little picture of my site down. I don't know how to do that. So just make believe. There's the little square right there, and Simple Simon, Captain Sorrow. Okay. What's in future? This is issue 27. There's plenty of them out there. There's plenty of the trades out there to pick. Just to catch up on this. If you're into King Arthur, stuff like that, great. Puts a good spin on it. It's already Christmas, so I don't know if this is ending. I know they're going for the Grail. The last issue there was Excalibur. So it's a good storyline. There's more to it than just the Arthur thing, but you'll find that out as you read it. It's issue 27. Jillian's doing it, and Mara is doing the art, which always kicks. This kicks. Well, I can't show you that one. Flip that over. There you go. Wish everybody had a granny like that. Get the trades. You're missing out if you haven't put my hands behind my back. Get the trades. If you haven't read this thing, you're missing out. It's one of the best things Booms have put out for the past over 2 years. But that's my opinion. It's my show, so there you go. All right. Now, from Image, Robert Kirkman's hold on. I want to get that corner. How come that's not working? There you go. My head's behind my back. Robert Kirkman's Firepower. This is another one you're missing out. It's also been out for almost 2 years. It's a nice, it's an American guy finding himself, went to school, up in the mountains. They teach him all his kung fu stuff. He can throw fireballs. He went back. There's a whole battle going on with the serpent and the dragon, and he flies, and there's a big kaboom. I'm only kidding. This is a good read. Always has been. The art's been great. The read's been great. The idea's been great. If I'm still getting it after 2 years, I'm still liking it. And I have no problem cutting off. Well, yes, I do have problems cutting. Who am I kidding? But I don't mind buying this book because I'm enjoying it still. And I think you would too. And I did not do Once in the Future. Why didn't you tell me I didn't do Once in the Future? There you go. Ooh, that's gonna have a problem. Okay. Nope. Yep. Okay. Now I'm gonna do this one. Okay. Next books. These books are new books. Oh no, this is the one I have. No, I'm lying to you. There's two of them. Yeah. Philadelphia, number 23. Another one's been going for 2 years. Put this over here. Get the trades. My back. It's all vampires in Philadelphia. They're all from American history. Here's John Adams. He started it. This is supposed to be George Washington. It's a great. Everybody. I'm talking to like nobody knows about these books. Everybody knows they're a great read. If you haven't got on it, you're late for the show. Get the trades. You're gonna enjoy it because Rodney Barnes is kicking butt on this one. Jason Alexander, Sean Alexander, great art, as you can tell. Get on the bandwagon. Woohoo! Do, do, do. Actually, this one too. Okay, next one. That Texas Blood. It's an ongoing, but it comes out in phases. So this is like the third phase. This is number 2 of the third phase. It's all about a small town. There's a lot going on in this town. I don't know why anybody lives in this town, because way too many things going on in this town. People keep dropping. It's like watching Murder, She Wrote. Who wants to live in that Maine? Who wants that old woman next to them? Because if that old woman's next to you, you're dead. Okay? Someone always dies when that woman's around. Same thing about this town. People keep dropping dead in this town. Okay? And the last issue in this third arc, the woman had a head in her face. Her head was in her hands, and she watched TV on the couch. I packed my bags out of there, but no, people stay. I don't know why. So it's a third arc. There has to be trades because the way it's split up. You know, the first arc introducing the characters in the present, and there's something goes on there, and then the last one was in the past. The sheriff, who's the main character in the first one, when he was younger, and this one too. He's a little older in this one. Oh, see. Anyways, people keep dropping dead in this town. I don't know why there's ever even a population number on the sign. Everybody should get the hell out of it. But it's a great read. The art fits the story. I'm enjoying this. I get it every time it comes out. You should too. Mrs. Fletcher was next to me at a show, at a bake sale, just walking down the street. I get the hell away from her. People die all the time next to her. And that went on for like 10 years. All right. Prodigy. I was getting this when it first came out, a year or two ago. And it came out again. Mark Miller is doing it. Who's doing the? I think Sadesky did the cover on this. No. I can't see his name. Anyways, I was wrong on that. But anyways, it's a great idea. The guy's got money. He's really smart. And he goes and he does things. I'm telling you, it's a great time. I'm sure you can just jump. This is number 1, and I haven't even looked at it yet. But right off the back, there's a dead person there. I mean, what more can you ask for? It's a comic, right? I appreciated the first Prodigy that came out. I enjoyed the read. I saw this on the shelf. I needed to pick it up. We'll find out if it continues. If I enjoy it, I'll get number 2. If I don't, I'm gonna put it in a bag. Forget about it. So let's do this. See? Edison Crane, the world's smartest man. Can't say that about me. I can't even talk. Okay. All right. On with the Independent. 1313. I was by Blaze. It's a number 1. I was told it was a good read. Jeff at my LCS. I should try to talk slower. I mumble a lot. Jeff at my LCS time capsule in CCON. Not a sponsor. He told me this is a great read. Diggle. Guy's first guy's name Diggle. You gotta pick it up just for that, okay? Montenberg and Stuart Jock Beck. Huh. I haven't really even looked at it yet, but he's telling me it's a good read, so I'm going to give it a run. Woman's having issues. we'll see what happens. If I don't like it, I'll stick it in a box and forget about it. Like, you know, you gotta try something new. Especially if I didn't, it could be a really small week because. Whoop. I'm not so sure they're going to like what I have to say. I feel about that like that about me all the time. Behemoth. There you go. Another one. I was told it's a good read. I asked him, I said, hey, anything, what came out good? Any good reads? He told me this one. Wow. She just bit her. She got fangs? Oh yeah, she's got fangs. Wow, she's got fangs. And she's got hands like a crab. This is going to be interesting. I'll tell you how it is. She's got hands like a crab. And she's got fangs. And she's being attacked. What the hell's going on here? There's like sea monsters and stuff. That's probably why it's called Behemoth. Okay. Last independent. Last independent. Absolution. Hold on, I want to see something first. Oh yeah. Absolution. Ooh. Ooh. Get the Frank Cho cover. So I guess I think I read a little bit about this. She's an assassin, and for some reason, I don't know why, she's gonna make up for it. So I think she's got a year or something. I'm not sure. So we'll see. I'm loving the art. Yeah, this Mike guy, he kicks it with the art. Bang, 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 bang. We'll see how it is. I hope it's good. I mean, AWA, they do pretty good stuff. You'll probably go for 5-6 issues at the most. So we'll see how it goes. Now, last but not least, my only non-independent. Podolsky's Batman 125, cover by Jim Lee. Everybody's waiting for this. All you bet. I mean, I think this month. I think Ron V's doing Detective. Either this month or next month. If you're a Batman fan, you're loving it. Right, Greg? Bearded Comic Bro. So Ortega's doing the art. He usually does pretty good stuff here. Beep 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 beep. Almost the Batschlang, the Batschlang, whatever they call it. Okay. I don't know. It looks like he woke up with a stiffy. He's popping a tent there. I would too. Ooh, they took it. They were probably watching Murder, She Wrote. See, even if you watched Murder, She Wrote, you end up dying. Mrs. Fletcher, you're killing me. We've all been waiting for this. I'm going to get this yet. There you go. I should put a little mark here. Everybody's waiting for this. It's a whole new way. Whole new right. I don't know where the story starts, where it goes. Nobody does. It's the first issue of Sadasi doing it. So, knock on some wood underneath here, because I know there is, because I had this built. Wish us luck. Okay, there we go. God, I need a drink. All right, so that's my books. I'll put these over here. I get the mystery mail. Again with the hands. Mystery mail call for June, but I'm opening in July. I got here late, so let's do this. These boxes are great for sending stuff out. So I usually send them. They're great. They're great. Anyways. Alright, I unfolded it already quick, huh? Jeez, I'm good. Take the bag over here. Alright. There you go. A little Seth action here. Ooh. So, I'll leave this to let me know what the hell I got. Because it tells you everything on the back. Ready? Here we go. So there you go. I got the Venom. Okay, it's a Dolly inspired cover. He was a big artist in the 60s, 50s, 60s, middle on the 70s. So I looked cool. Ooh, John's gonna love this. It's a reprint. It's an Image comic, looks like a reprint. But one of the first appearances of Savage Dragon as the Dragon. And John loves that stuff. John's comic kids. So let's see. Yeah, this is a reprint. Yeah, 2021. There you go. You gotta love these old indies. I mean, it's reprints, of course, but they're rough. They're a lot of times they're black and whites, rough ink. So it shows the art when they first started out, you know, the artists when they first started. Because Larson, his stuff is much better now. And the printing was on paper that wasn't too great. But you gotta love this stuff. I mean, John could tell you. But what does it say the date that it originally came out? I guess not. Goes maybe on the back or something. Man, you could tell how rough it was in those days. Yeah, it doesn't. Oh, this one next issue. So 82. God, I was still in high school. I was a junior. So you had the Prism, you had Iron Hawk, and you had Savage. Arr. Ooh, hey, how you doing? Hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, Prism. Al Harris. did the writing and the drawing, but the inking and the lettering, the inking, was by Eric Larson. The inking, wow, look, they had a whole team. That Prism Eye is kicking butt. Iron Hawk. That's Silver Hawk. Silver Hawk. Iron Hawk. No, okay. Hey, you know, I tried. I do try. In this one, does it say by whom? Kevin Clark and Keys. Here you go again. Ink by Eric Larson. Silver Hawk. I used to love that show. Oh, wait a minute. Is there a bling bling? Oh, probably not. I don't think I'm going to be blinging a bunch of these things. Let's see this one. Does this have a bling bling? Well, yeah, it was 91. I mean, 21. This might have a bling bling. Oh, it's got a bling bling. Okay, so that's got a bling bling. Alright, let's stick this in here. That's got a bling bling. Let's put it with the other books. Let's see if Venom has a bling bling. Ooh, it's got a bling bling. Venom number 8. Look at it. Let's see. Ooh, it's a Tyler Kirkman. Did you know that? I didn't know that. I know it now. You know it now. Does it say Kirkman on here? Like on? Oh yeah, Tyler Kirkman right in the corner. It's too early in the morning for this. Okay. All right. What's the next one? I don't want to see what that is. I don't want to see what that is. Hold on. All right. Put that on top. Click. Put this one here. All right. There we go. Hey, nice little blue beetle. That's cool, huh? Does it say who it's from? Absolutely not. But that's okay. Next one. The new Fantastic Four. This one. Alex Malise. It's one per box. Everybody got one. Unless you don't get the ComicTom mystery mail call. I hate doing these things so much. Mystery mail call. You didn't get one, but if you did, you got one of these because there was one in every box. Since I can do it, I'm so happy. Little glare. All right, let's see what this looks like. It's okay. It's okay. Ooh, that hurt. Yeah, I like this new Fantastic Four. I like that team up. It's not like the same team wasn't in the. It was in the late '80s, early '90s. I got a whole bunch of them if anybody wants them. So it's the not so new Fantastic Four. But I got like a whole bunch of them. Did I do it? Yes, I did. Okay. Ooh, this is the red one. One per box. This is a Samurai Sonya. Sweet. You notice I passed up on saying the guy's name, the artist, because if I can't, I'm not gonna. I respect people too much to chop up their name so bad. Let's see what this looks like. Oh wow. Yeah, that's pretty good, huh? Oh, hey Simon, Lickworthy. This looks cool. All right. Did I hit it? Nope. There's gonna be a lot of these that I gotta fix. All right. Ooh, the wannabes. This is the family friendly book he puts in every week. Oh God, this is only my second cup of coffee. I need 2 more. All right. Well, this is going half an hour. Jeez. Just let you guys know, I probably won't be here for the premiere. The wife and I are both home, so we have been, the whole week's been busy. We took the whole week off, so if I'm here, I'll hop on. If not, thank you for whoever hops on. I appreciate it every time. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Okay, did I hit it? Nope, I didn't. And there is no place to hit this. That's probably why I didn't hit it. Unruly. Thank you every week. You know, there's a whole bunch of other people that hop on, and I appreciate that. But every week, that guy's like hot dog front row. Thank you, Unruly. Here we go. Last but not least. Does anybody remember Epic Comics? This is awesome. Epic Comics. Epic was a independent company. Put stuff out. I think they were part of, but they were part, I think, Marvel. Look at some big names on here. Check that out. You got Howard Charkin, Magnola, Al Williamson. This is book 2. Oh, I'm sorry, book 3. But I think the Epic was part of Marvel or DC. I can't remember off the top of my head. 1991. Yeah. That's gonna bother me, and I have to look it up. God, it was so long ago. Between 1982 and 1996. Yeah, Marvel. It was a Marvel spin-off. It was like their, almost like DC's Vertigo. Okay, so they put more of the adult stuff on there. More of the independent stuff out there. This is awesome. And I don't think I can ding this one, so I'll have to put it in manually. Yeah. This was a big independent company, of course, Marvel's, who put a lot of their stuff out there for the independent stuff, for the more adult stuff. Jeez, 82 to 96. Oh my God! No! Oh God! Hit it to be travel all this time to get here, and all of a sudden I ruin it. Okay. Let's do this. Now, there's going to be a bunch of them I got to fix. So, here we go. Yeah, sure. All raw. Roughly 7.8. 7.0. Yeah, I knew. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. The only one that didn't go through is Once and Future. Well, we know this thing's going to go to at least... Wow. We know this one's going to go at least to... Once and Future 29. Dang. Talking about an ongoing. What did I say this number was? 27? Yeah, 27. 27. Yeah, the cover. Bang, bang. Yep. There you go. They're all in there. So let me do this. Hope you guys are watching. Okay. Let me do this. First, let me update my keys. Get that through. God, 35, 30, oof, jeez, I'm so sorry, you guys. How over half an hour of me babbling. And I'm just on coffee. Columbia roast, though. Okay, updated 9 of them. Then I'm going to go this. I'm going to go do that. And bang. Done. Did that. Go back here. All right, that was it. All right, that was it. Put this here. I got some reading. I got some more. I got more shifting around my boxes. I did that this weekend with my son. It took us hours, and I got more to do now. All right. This goes in this hand because I can't work the mouse on my left. Thanks, everyone. I appreciate that. Over 36 minutes. I didn't expect it to go that far. Hope I didn't bore the hell out of you. Again, like everyone tells you to do, gives a thumbs up. Makes me feel good. Give me a big thumb. It makes me feel good. Ring the bell. Subscribe if you're new. I really appreciate that when my numbers go up. They go slowly. Very slowly. But I appreciate it either way. Thanks for spending some time with me. If you took the rest of, if you've been taking this week off, enjoy. If you're going to work, hey, today's Thursday. You got 2 more days and you get the weekend, right? So, thanks everybody. I appreciate that. I really do. See ya.